Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into the world of adhesives, showcasing the top-selling products on Amazon. From reliable glue sticks to powerful bonding solutions, we've got it all covered. Whether you're tackling a DIY project, crafting, or simply need a dependable adhesive, this countdown will highlight the best options available right now. So without further ado, let's get started and discover which adhesive products have earned their spot at the top of the charts. At number 5 on our countdown of top-selling adhesives is a true game-changer for every craft enthusiast, the Podge Gloss Sealer, Glue and Finish. This product is an all-in-one solution that's about to revolutionize your crafting experience. Imagine a single bottle that combines glue, sealer, and finish into one powerhouse formula. That's exactly what Podge offers. No need to clutter your workspace with multiple products. This versatile marvel does it all. Whether you're into decoupage, scrapbooking, puzzle preservation, or sprucing up home decor, Podge rises to the occasion. It's a chameleon of adhesives, adapting effortlessly to wood, paper, fabric, and beyond. But what sets Podge apart? Its impeccable gloss finish. This isn't just any sheen, it's a crystal-clear, durable gloss that enhances the beauty of your projects without yellowing over time. Your creations retain their original splendor, untouched and unaltered. And let's talk about efficiency. This quick-drying formula speeds up your project completion, while its easy cleanup with just soap and water means less hassle and more crafting. Made in the USA, it comes with a stamp of quality that you can trust. Safety is also paramount. With its non-toxic, water-based composition, Podge is perfect for crafters of all ages, making it ideal for classroom projects and family fun alike. In summary, Podge Gloss Sealer, Glue and Finish is not just a product, it's an essential companion for serious crafters and DIY enthusiasts. Elevate your crafting game and craft with confidence. At number 4 on our countdown of top-selling adhesives is the Amazon Basics Washable Liquid School Glue. This 5-ounce bottle of clear glue is a staple that's designed to make your crafting and school projects simpler and more effective. Picture this: a versatile adhesive that bonds paper, photos, and cardboard with ease. That's exactly what you get with this Amazon Basics glue. Whether you're tackling a school assignment, engaging in a home craft, or working on a creative project, this glue has got you covered. What makes it stand out? Its safety and convenience. This glue features a safe formula, making it perfect for use at school, home, or anywhere creativity strikes. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Just a quick wash and it's gone from hands and clothes, making it a parent's best friend and a crafter's dream. Compact and easy to store, this glue measures just 2.5 by 1.3 by 5.75 inches. It's the ideal size for on-the-go projects, ensuring you always have the adhesive you need within reach. In essence, the Amazon Basics Washable Liquid School Glue is more than just an adhesive. It's a reliable partner in creativity and a no-fuss solution to everyday sticking needs. Elevate your craft and school projects with this top choice in adhesives. At number 3 in our countdown of best-selling adhesives is the Elmer's All-Purpose School Glue Sticks. This pack of 37-gram glue sticks is a crafting essential you won't want to be without. These glue sticks are the epitome of versatility. They bond seamlessly to paper, cardboard, foam board, and display boards, making them perfect for a wide range of projects. From school assignments to creative arts and crafts, these glue sticks deliver reliable adhesion every time. But what truly sets Elmer's apart? Their smooth application. Gone are the days of dealing with clumps and uneven coverage. These sticks apply effortlessly, ensuring a clean and precise bond every time. And when it comes to drying, you'll appreciate their quick and colorless finish, ideal for maintaining the integrity of your projects without unsightly residue. The Elmer's All-Purpose School Glue Sticks are also designed with safety in mind. They are washable, non-toxic, acid-free, and photo-safe, making them suitable for all ages and various uses. Cleanup is a breeze, and you can craft with confidence, knowing that these sticks won't harm your photos or cherished materials. In summary, the Elmer's all-purpose school glue sticks are a go-to choice for anyone looking for a dependable, easy-to-use adhesive. With 30 sticks in every pack, you'll be well-equipped for all your creative endeavors. Elevate your projects with Elmer's, the glue stick that's truly a cut above. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling adhesives on Amazon? If you're sticking around for more, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you're always glued to the latest updates. At number 2 in our countdown of top-selling adhesives, we have the Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks. This pack of 3 22-gram sticks is designed to make your crafting and school projects a breeze. What makes these glue sticks stand out? The answer lies in their unique formula. They go on purple, allowing you to see exactly where you're applying the glue, but dry clear for a flawless finish. This means no more guessing games, just precise application and a clean result every time. The Elmer's Disappearing Purple Glue Sticks glide on smoothly, ensuring an easy and mess-free application. Whether you're bonding paper, cardboard, foam board, or display boards, these sticks provide a strong and reliable hold. They're perfect for a variety of projects, from school assignments to creative crafts. Safety and convenience are top priorities with these glue sticks. They are acid-free, photo-safe, non-toxic, and washable, making them suitable for users of all ages and easy to clean up. No more worrying about sticky residue on your hands or clothes, just effortless crafting and peace of mind. In essence, the Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks are a game-changer for anyone looking to enhance their crafting experience. With their clear drying formula, smooth application, and safe composition, they're a top choice for arts, crafts, and school projects alike. Elevate your adhesive game with Elmer's, where precision meets performance. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 adhesive in our countdown is the Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks, featuring 12 sticks, each 6 grams of pure crafting potential. Why does this product top our list? The secret lies in its innovative design. These glue sticks go on purple, providing a visual guide to ensure precise application and then dry clear, leaving no trace but a flawless bond. It's the perfect blend of visibility and clarity, making your crafting tasks easier and more accurate. These glue sticks are engineered for smooth application, eliminating clumps and making your gluing experience effortlessly satisfying. From paper and cardboard to foam board and display boards, Elmer's delivers a strong, reliable bond across various materials. Safety is always a priority. That's why these glue sticks are acid-free, photo-safe, non-toxic, and washable. Ideal for users of all ages, they provide a safe, mess-free crafting solution that's easy to clean up with just water. Whether you're working on arts and crafts or school projects, Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks are the ultimate choice for a clean, clear finish and dependable performance. With 12 sticks in the pack, you'll have plenty of adhesive for all your creative needs. So there you have it, Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks, the top choice for anyone seeking a versatile, reliable, and safe adhesive. Craft with confidence and clarity, knowing you've got the best glue in the business. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling adhesives on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.